Guys, I just time traveled to Pompeii and everything looks so peaceful. But I know something these people don't. This beautiful city has only a few hours left. Everyone is smiling, shopping, and enjoying their day. It's heartbreaking knowing none of them realize what's about to happen. Wait, did you see that? Smoke is pouring out of Mount Vesuvius. Most people are ignoring it, but I think this is the beginning. The volcano just erupted! Ashes everywhere, people are running for their lives. We have to get out of here before it's too late. The ash is everywhere. We have to keep moving before the whole city disappears. I've never seen anything like this. An entire city is disappearing right in front of my eyes. I just found something hidden beneath the ash. And what archaeologists discovered here nearly 2,000 years later will completely shock you. Follow for part 2.